Our team actually had the ability to travel to Norway to really research the locations that have inspired this entire area. The Royal Sommerhus itself, the entry cabin, is based off of a real cabin in Trondheim, Norway that our team was able to visit. So we're here at the Royal Sommerhus. This is the cabin where Anna and Elsa went to retreat with their families over the summer. So back when they were little girls, this is kind of their family retreat. And really guests can expect to be immersed in the world of Anna and Elsa, but also being immersed in kind of a rural Norwegian architectural style. Our team actually had the ability to travel to Norway to really research the locations that have inspired this entire area. The Royal Sommerhus itself, the entry cabin, is based off of a real cabin in Trondheim, Norway that our team was able to visit. My favorite part about this project is that the story of Frozen is all about love conquering fear. And really everything about this project is a celebration of that part of the story. You've got the Royal Sommerhus, which is all about family and really setting the foundation for Anna and Elsa's familial bond. And then you've got Frozen Ever After, which is a celebration of true love conquering all and Elsa's, frozen powers being thawed by true love. And so just being able to bring that to life is really amazing.